This is motivation from the weightlifting geek. And if you've got 8 minutes, I've got a quick tech tip that could change the game for you when it comes to YouTube. So what are we going to talk about today? Now, let me paint a picture for you. When I was younger and I was in public school, I hated studying. You know what I mean? I just got on my nerves. There was people that didn't have to study in the class. They didn't study, still got A's. I studied and I still got a low grade. But the studying of some people was better than the studying of others. And how well you could study determined how well you did on the test. As you can tell, I didn't study that well. Now, let's take that same situation and apply it to YouTube. There are certain things that we can do to assist with our videos being successful on this platform. And one of those things is studying or research. Now, I know what you're saying. Listen. We just talked about studying. Now you tell me I got to study again? Well, let me help you out. There is an easier way. We are going to show you how you can study what tags to put in your videos using TubeBuddy. The pro version of TubeBuddy offers these wonderful features. And if you're interested in getting TubeBuddy, there is a link to it in the description below. And if you purchase TubeBuddy using that link, not only do you get the powerful benefits that we're about to share with you, but you're also able to support our channel by means of that affiliate link. So let's get into this research thing. I know. Trust me, ride with me on this. Let me share my screen and I'll show you exactly what we are talking about. Okay, so here we are. We're looking at our previous video on TubeBuddy and how it can help your channel to grow, which is Quick Tech Tips TubeBuddy SEO for the win. Now, we're going to put a link to that video right over here to the right. And we want you to go check that video out after you finish this one. It'll all make sense. So, we're here and we are in our back office, as Miss Lee at Panama City would say, aka Big Sis. So if you go down to the video details section of your video, this is the tag section. The more tags that you put, the better. But how do you know what are good tags to use? Now, in the SEO video that we showed earlier, in that video we discussed how to use TubeBuddy to suggest popular tags that we could use. But another way that you can do something similar is, let's say that you're going to make a video about TubeBuddy. You may go to other content creators' videos about TubeBuddy to do research, to make your video, to put all these pieces together. You find a video that you like, great information, and it was well received by the YouTube platform. I want to do what they did. How can you use TubeBuddy to assist you in this way? So, if we were to look at this video here, this is in the back office. Now, let's look at it on the actual YouTube platform. And there's the link that we mentioned earlier, https:// www.tubebuddy.com/TWLG. But notice over here, the pro version of TubeBuddy gives you videolytics. So you can see the total number of views, you can see the total number of comments, the number of likes, and of course this video has a 100 SEO score because we use the tips in the video to achieve that high score. Now, we didn't have much success in sharing this on Facebook and so on and so forth. It's coming. Also, 241,000 views on the channel, 1.97K subscribers. We are literally less than 50 away, or less than, I think we're 25 away from reaching 2K on this platform as far as subscribers go. So if this is your first time watching our video and you have not already, what was that? Ooh, excuse me, a little bit of congestion. If you are watching our video and you are not already subscribed to the channel, we would love for you to join the family and hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to ring the bell. That way, every time we drop quick tech tips like this, you will be notified. And who knows, you may hear my voice crackle again. You never know, but you got to come back to see. But anyway, what we want to do, scroll down here and let's see. We are looking here at tags. This shows the tags that we are using for this video, just like what you saw in the back office. Now, because of the TubeBuddy Pro version, not only do we see these tags, we can copy these tags. And we're just selecting every single tag in here. Now, if there was one that, let's say I didn't want to use that one, I can unclick it. And then we can copy all of these tags to the clipboard. So now, if we were to come over here and we were to paste, it shows all of the tags. Now, obviously, we wouldn't paste these in the comment of a video. We would paste them in the tags section of our video. But I just wanted to show you visually that all of those things are indeed selected and now copied to the clipboard. And then you can also do show search rankings, so you get additional information. And all of these things help you as you are trying to determine what tags to use. Now you have a way to use the same tags that other popular content creators are using and having success with. So hopefully, in others watching their videos, because of your research and studying using tags, you may be pulled in to that same algorithm as well. So we hope this video has been beneficial. We always want to help you in any way that we can. And we know that hopefully this quick tech tip will benefit you and your channel. Remember, stay strong, stay positive, stay active. Geek Squad. Take care, y'all.